On behalf of the Fresh crew and family, we just want to send our condolences and our much love to all the beautiful people and families in Christchurch who have been broken and shaken from the last earthquake. Just want to say that we feel your hurt, your loss, and that we are trying to do what we can in our communities to offer support and even fundraising to send money down to help you guys down in Christchurch. Much love. Our thoughts and prayers are with you all, and just hope you hold on to that Kiwi spirit and that Kiwihood, and where when one Kiwi falls down, we help each other up. So stay strong, kia kaha, whamalosi, Tofiga Fepulea'i manuia. Stay fresh.
Raka.
Bye.
Raka bye. Hey, the Hurricanes play the Canterbury. Do you want to go watch the Rockabye? Yeah, oh. Canterbury.
Alofa and welcome to Fresh, here in Wellington, the capital. And you are here with Finger the Winger. Now you know Wellington is famous for many things. We are famous for our te papa, the beehive. We are famous for ma'anonu and talaumanga. But what we are more famous for, as you can see, surrounded by me, are the people coming to the Wellington IRB NZI 7s. Yes, sir. Woohoo!
Love your Fiji!
Have you got a pie with them?
So we got to make a decision to what it is.
Let's go!
This is my story. This is my world.
Now that you know what's on the rest of our program, let's not muck around, let's get brown and around here at the NZI 7s. Not just in the stadium, but everywhere else in Wellington. The capital.
Fishman Simon, Indian's gonna take it out, boys!
Usually in the Wellington 7s, we have a lot of our Pacific teams here. We have our Samoa come down, we have the Cook Island team, we have New Ware, Tonga, so all here. Even, I think we've got PNG here as well.
Hello, Lava. My name's Galu. This is Amon. Yo. We're at the pre-7s celebrations. Pretty much this is what we call Wellington on the 7th day. We're dressed up as Zulu African warriors. And, you know, we're just having fun at the moment, you know.
Have you got a pie with them? No Polynesians in one of those costumes, that's for sure.
Barbara Streisand.
What we got here is Samoan Spartacus.
Spartacus! And the reason why we keep it fresh is because we all got channels. Keeping it real right here with the blue channels. Blue channels right here, blue channels right here.
We're the Silver Statues, and we're from Porirua, Newtown. There's 21 of us, but we got lost. It took us 2 hours each for 21 of us to get ready. We love this. Silver Statues by Casey Webster and Charmaine Lake.
Fruity boy, fruity fresh.
Thanks, Mama Fresh!
Yesterday we were raros. Today we are Crayolas. Every day we wear something fresh. Because we are from the island, we are fresh.
All the other costumes, they're weird.
Yeah, we have a Rara International Sevens back home in November every year. So this is our costumes from November. So we're looking around in all the different costumes and seeing which ones we're going to take back home this year.
Rangi Balance, representing Cook Islands from Hawke's Bay, but originally from Wararangi, Rarotonga. Loving it here, playing a bit of footy, throwing the ball around, having a crack at some of the big guns. And look at this place, it's a great place to be. Everyone's getting amongst it, we're loving it.
Kia ora ana, kia ora katoa katoa, ko Nathan Robinson Takinua. I'm Mani Iki from Rarotonga. Best thing about this is so fresh, everything here is fresh. The players, the atmosphere, it's a great time, everyone's having fun.
Honey, what's up? Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the baddest of them all? Yeah, it's gotta be the Apple, I'm the Mac. Daddy, y'all haters better step back. Ladies, don't.
Representing all the Samoans here in the Sevens in Wellington. Yeah, for those who couldn't make it, well, too bad. Next year. Now, there was one year at the Sevens, they had all these Pacific boys dressed up as iPods, and they called themselves the iFobs. Now, I don't know if we're going to see any iFobs here at the Sevens this year, but if there's one place you'll find an iFob, it's on Fresh.
Hey, I'm with you, mate.
The force is strong.
Bakalaba Archer and Guten Morgan gets it's me, your favorite Uncle Ra. Like take a Ra. From the rock. Can you smell not that rock, but the rock of Polynesian me, Uncle Ra from Niue. That's right, today an iFob I bring to you on a TV screen. Something we all need in our lives. It's called our CDs. Not Auckland City, you fresh, but compact disc. We can do hips and hips of things with these things, especially if you want to be the world's best DJ. Check, scratch, etch. Do you like martial arts? Like Jack Chan, Bruce Lee, and Chuck Norris? When you're walking down the street and someone makes trouble to you, remember I carry hips of CDs in your backs so you can pull it out and you can Shanobi! But make sure they don't catch it and throw it back to you. See, lucky I got a good reflex. When was the last time you had some abs? A long time, eh? See this? CDs give you absolutely abs. Easy! 74. 75. I can feel it burning. 1,050. 2,075. People always ask me why I look so good, why I look so fresh, why it's easy for me to run up the mountain. Put your food on a CD. Smaller the plate, smaller the portion, smaller the waist. Hippie, hippie, keep the doctor away. Take the food off the CD. Man, just use compress is fresh. If you want some more advice, you can call me 0800 555 Angora. Rah!
Now, you've probably seen a whole heaps and heaps and heaps of these funny things on YouTube, but here's some fabulous stuff that you haven't seen before. Check it out. I can't believe it. right here, I got some of the freshest people, crazy people, want to be fresh, but ain't no one fresh like I'm fresh. See you after the break. That's fresh, man.
Hi, my name is Eva Lampkin, and I am a singer-songwriter.
Depressed. Depressed. Hey, calm down. Just take a deep breath.
Welcome back to Fresh, and we're here with the Samoan team at the Wellington Sevens. I'm here with my brother Paul. Just like to ask Paul a very important question. Paul, a whapela o ka alu i ko au mang Samoa ai wingi au. A whaila o lale ska move le fai short po pe long po pe pasi mai au.
Le ai wingi mako au. Ki longa ki oso mea i kua. E koe kami me ko kong siok te ko iau e.
Siok te.
Isa kong whaonga lau.
Yeah. I just asked Paul what he reckons I should do if I played with her, because that's what I am. He said I should cut in, back out, fend, uppercut, left kick, right hook, and score a try on the dead ball. And that's me, Tofiga the winger, throwing it back to you with Know Your Roots.
Know your roots. How else can you tell a Samoan Sheila or a Tonga Ta'ahine from the rest of the girls in Aotearoa? No, not their stomachs. No, not their eyebrows, what I said. But by their hair, of course. Yeah, some might look like they just had a wrestling match with the GHD, but depending if your great-great-grandmother was a dusky maiden, you're probably born with full, fabulous, long-tamed hair that Beyonce has sweet dreams and beautiful nightmares about. The infamous hairstyle born from the island nation of the generation, for your information, is what we call the bun. It was originated in Apia, Western Samoa, yes, another idea taken by the French. Bun actually comes from the Samoan word bunny, as in panikeke or panipopo, which is the shape that the hair creates. Who, what, when, where, how, why the bun? Most would say it's posh, it's slick like Salma Hayek. Rank? More like Salma Afe, sis. Samoans are pretty strong believers in their legends. This one hails all the way from Samoa. Salma Afe was a female demon. She was all there. Like Akasha, Queen of the Damned, all that, you know that movie? With her long golden brown hair, she would appear to the men of the village and make them fall for her. However, Salma Afe turns ugly as with nappy hair when she gets jealous of a girl rocking up to the village, thinking she all there, beauty beyond hers and long hair hotter than her own. It is believed that whenever a girl with long, beautiful hair walks the village, thinking she all there, 3 words, fa la ia. To keep on the safe side, girls were always made to tie up their hair. So there you have it, the bun. Find them at polyfests, church, ballet shows, no matter what shape, how high, if it looks like a pork bun, a German bun or a coconut bun on the head, she's got to be Hummel. If you're unsure about our information on the television for an Asian, Google search bun and it should say Wikipedia. But nowadays Wikipedia make up their own facts, so eat it, know your roots. What's out if you ai bang popo?
Welcome back to Fresh. As you can see, I'm still amongst all the craziness. And let me tell you what's crazy. The next beautiful, talented musician, Eva Lampkin, to the stage.
Hi, my name is Eva Lampkin and I am a singer-songwriter from Wellington and I'm here at the Auckland Zoo. Going to play tonight some fun music.
Yeah, chicken, 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 1, 2, 3.
Playing these sort of gigs, I really like it, eh? I mean, if it's good weather, it looks like it's gonna rain, bro. I like playing outdoor events, you know, just because, you know, every show I do, different vibes, different people, different crowds, different, you know, or even people who are new to your music that have never heard of you, you know, they come along and then, yeah, so the more shows you do, the better you get, the better your voice sounds and you know, the better the band is and the better the crowd, you know, will get into it. But, I mean, it's really up to you how you want to portray yourself to people, because people, it's like introducing yourself to someone. You've got to show them this is who you are. And if they don't like it, me. If they like it, me.
She released her self-titled EP in 2008. Since then, she has become the rising star that everyone is talking about. You'll be talking about her straight after this. Can you please give it up for Eva Lincoln?
I get influenced easily, so, you know, whatever comes my way, I take it, feed off from it, and then throw it in my music. Sometimes it just happens accidentally, or sometimes it happens on purpose.
You ready, boys? Ha. Let's go. Yeah. I'ma take to the top of the game, no fame, no shame. Look at ever heard my name, girl. I'ma make you understand, cause I'm doing it again. And I know what it is, the booty thing. Honey got a shoe, got a ride, got ease on the mic in the cool, back up and not so bad. First keys to a verse, don't stop to impress. The good food, but did I going fast? Try to make the people understand my. And I don't wanna see a bigger two-verse on baby. Baby, you just wanna see my whole food right.
Hopefully they can take something away by sharing the love to their friends, say, oh yes, I've discovered someone. Go see her show, or stalk me on Facebook, you know, add me on Facebook. Yeah, so I mean, hopefully, you know, I get a new crowd who's never heard the stuff before, come along and hopefully come to more shows. So, I mean, the more people, the more love, the more money.
I don't wanna see a bigger two-verse on me, baby. You just wanna see my whole food right. This I want passion, try to make.
We really enjoyed it.
Awesome. Wellington, eh?
I have never heard, but I love it.
I thought she was really good, eh? She was pretty smooth.
Yeah, she was mean, man. Yeah, I've seen her a couple of times. And I even on Facebook I said I loved her. Yeah, she liked it.
That was awesome.
Oh, they are, ladies. Stand up, guys. Show you got your full hair in a mohawk.
Love me always. Ooh.
After the break, my world and more of this. Ready? Okay. Ole, 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 ole. Samoa, Samoa. Ole, 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 ole. Samoa, Samoa. Hey, oh. Okay. These are the guys that will be cleaning up the stadium afterwards, after the 7th. Thank you, boys. What a best, bro. Thank you, bro.